Hey guys, today the video is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna share with you what I'm gonna take on my 7-day trip to an island that I'm gonna go as a minimalist myself. So let me grab here. This is my backpack. This is the only thing that I'm taking. I want to share with you what I've taken here. So let's give it a start. First of all, let me show you that my backpack is almost empty. It only has, watch this right here. So let me show you. First thing that I'm bringing, it's actually this audio gear, so I can have some beats going on, have some fun. So I'm bringing that out. Oops. Then this pack right here, this is a cube pack. I always take this with me. This is where all my clothes is. And so let me show you what I have here in my clothes. Alright, the first thing that I have is my shorts. This is for swimming and whatever, everything else. Then I have a t-shirt for to use with these shorts. By the way, I have this is what I'm using to go to the trip today, with the shorts and the shoes. What else am I taking? Oh, here I have my towel. This is multi-purpose. I use it for swimming and also to clean it up. It's very light, it's kind of big too, so it's good size. Then I have my underwear, pair of socks. Now if it gets cold, because I'm gonna get a bike, I have this kind of a jacket, waterproof yet small. Then I have this if at night, if it gets cold and I'm on the bike, so I have these. Then also, if it gets cold at night for some reason, I have this as well, where I get it where I can, if it gets cold. And that is it for the clothes. That's all I'm taking. Boom. Then I put everything here, and then it fits on the backpack, which, by the way, it's empty. Oh, another thing that's going in here is have this part right here. It's my laptop, so it's my Mac. It goes here, and then here on the front is gonna go the charger for the Mac. So I have that going on here. Now on the front here, here's what I have. So I have the underarm for smelling good. Then I have brush my hair. By the way, I'm gonna have toothpaste in here and brushing. I'm gonna have that is not here. I'm gonna have that. I'm also gonna have my cell phone here that is not here, and the charger. What else will I have here? Oh, and by the way, I have this also, which is water. I put here on. There's a pocket. I use this water here whenever I need to drink. What else do I got here? Okay, so I have my little book where every day when I wake up and before I go to sleep, I write things down that I'm grateful for and things that I could improve and things like that. So I have that. Also here in the middle, I have my 60-day challenge, where every day I'm building a habit, so I'm tracking here. Then a pencil. This is my pills. Since I'm a vegan, this is B12 and iodine. I'm not taking vitamin D because it's summer, so I get a lot of that. So there we go. I have the key for my dad's house there. Have some change, some money here. Anyways, I also have my wallet, my small wallet that goes in here. It's not here now. Then I have, I have this light right here. This is just a kind of a Christmas light because the house that I'm staying there, it has no light. So I'm taking this for lighting. Oh, I'm also taking, here, I'm actually have to take this out. This is a lighting that I have here on top that I'm taking with me. This is also, it charges my phone. And it has a light here for nighttime. It lasts quite a long time. So that's that. Oh, then I have a power bank, small power bank, another power bank. Because the reason I use all these power banks is because here's the charger for the power banks and also the audio gear. And that is it. That's all that I'm taking to my trip for 7 days. Now you may ask, well, Fabio, why do you take so little clothes? The reason is I have the clothes that I have. Once I take this clothes out and I put the new one, this one I wash it right away. I stink into water. I wash it really well with soap, and then I put it on the line, and then on the next day it's ready to go, right? So that's how I use it. Very simple, very light. As you can see, I'm gonna still have plenty of space here on top where I can add here things that I might if I buy things to eat, some fruits or whatever, a bag that I want to put here that I'm carrying. I'm not gonna be carrying this bag with me because it's gonna stay in my house. Dad, I'm gonna rent a bike and then a scooter, and then I'm just gonna use that. I'm not gonna carry this with me. But that's, by the way, I travel with this everywhere in the world. When I go travel to the world, I kind of take what's in here. So with this small bag, I can travel infinite. Although if I go for 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, I take 1 or 2 more pieces of clothes. But that is it. Hope you liked this video. If you did like this type of video, let me know in the comments. Also, please subscribe if you want more videos like this, and also how to make money online, because I'm helping you here become great, become the best version of yourself. I'm always trying to improve myself so I can help you out as well. And so there you go. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, the next couple of days I've been recording these videos so you could have them while I travel these 7 days. Although I'm gonna bring my laptop to release the videos and to send emails and everything, and work on a project that I'm doing. I have all these videos ready for you on ways to make money online, on ways to improve your skills, and all of that stuff going on. So that's that. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, have a blessing day.